Huawei P70 Pro already has its cases for sale. This is happening in China, in various stores, where several distributors are already offering this accessory. Through the images of these cases, we can somehow confirm the design that this device will have, with a camera module in the pure Mickey Mouse style. Or if you want to see it that way, it could also be a similar style to what we see on the iPhone, with a more or less triangular distribution, but in this case with a much larger camera than the rest. This design, truth be told, seems very nice to me, pleasing to the eye and moreover original, and we continue to be impressed by how Huawei is able to renew its design every year. But the surprising thing about all this is that Huawei has not yet announced an official release date or a launch event for this series. So we could speculate that the same thing that happened with the Mate 60 Pro is going to happen. That is, that Huawei is simply going to one day randomly say, we release this device for sale, and mind you, Huawei has so much power in China that the devices sell a ton without the need for a big event. So it looks like Huawei is going to replicate this strategy in P70 Pro. At least it seems so, because they have not released any invitation for a special event, and anyway, the cases are already on sale.